In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Sheets. We'll start from the very beginning, open your spreadsheet, go over how saving works in the cloud, and then download a copy to your device in the format you need. Begin by going to Google in your web browser. In the top right, look for the small grid icon, often called the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google Apps. If you don't see Sheets right away, scroll the panel or use the search box at the top of that menu. Click on Sheets to open the Google Sheets home screen. From here, open your document. You can pick it from the list of recent files, search by name, or browse your folders in Drive. Once your spreadsheet is open, the most important thing to remember is that Google Sheets saves automatically. There's no Save button to press. As you type, make edits, or format cells, your changes are securely stored to Google Drive almost instantly. You'll usually see a small status message near the top that says something like Saving, followed by All changes saved in Drive. If your connection drops, Sheets will queue your edits and sync them when you're back online. For peace of mind, give your file a clear name at the top so it's easy to find later. If you want a copy saved to your computer, you can download the spreadsheet as a standard file. With the sheet open, go to the menu at the top, click File, then choose Download. You'll see several options. Microsoft Excel, with the .xlsx extension, is best if you plan to keep working in Excel or share with someone who does. PDF is ideal for a polished, read-only version. It's great for printing or sending a snapshot of your data that won't be accidentally changed. CSV creates a plain text, comma-separated file that's perfect for importing into databases or other tools. But be aware that CSV includes only raw values from a single sheet and does not preserve formulas, formatting, or multiple tabs. Pick the format that matches your goal, and your browser will save the file to your default Downloads folder. You can then move or rename it like any other file on your device. That's all you need to save your work in Google Sheets and export a copy when you need one. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you follow along.